Okay, welcome back, wonderful people. We are now in 1.3 and we have the following information. A company recorded the number of cell phones sold in 2 of their stores. The data for the last 12 months is given below. This is the data that we have for store A, and this is the data that we have for store B. We have a box and whisker for store A. This is store A, and this is store B. All right, so I'm going to explain what is happening there. Right, use the information above to answer the questions that follows. Now, what has transpired here? As you can see, that for store A, everything is not written in order. This is very, very important. You have data that is not written in ascending order. Even for store B, you have this not written in ascending order. But the box and whisker in this line, it has been written in order of increasing numbers. Okay? And then from there, we can see that the minimum value is 120 for store A. The maximum value is 380 for store A. The minimum for store B is 140 and the maximum is 440. Q1 something like 200, and then Q3 something like 360, and then for store B Q1 180 and Q3 308. Just in a summary of those 2 box and whisker diagram. And in 1.2.1, sorry, 1.3.1, they say to us, identify the type of the diagram drawn above, box and whisker. Box and whisker diagram. 1.3.2, write out IQR in full. IQR in full. This is interquartile range. 1.3.3, state the median for store A. The median is the middle value. Okay? Now, because we are not very sure of what median could be for store A there, because even this is not written in accurate the way in which it should be written from the question paper that I'm viewing on the laptop. I'm going to take the data of store A and write that data in order so that we never make a mistake. So store A, the minimum number is 120. The second minimum is 210. And then we have 220. Yes, Rengola in ascending order.
160.
Hey guy.
260.
Oh, sorry, we have 160.
So you can 160.
No, 120.
Oh, don't do.
160, 210, 220. And then from there, we have, in fact, 200. 210, 220. Okay? And then from there, we are done with 2. We go to 3. We have 310. So we have 290. 310. We have 250. I have a problem with ice. 310. 360. 350. Yes. 350. 360. 380 and 380. Right. There's nothing that we have left. Now from this, we want the median, again the middle number, which is Q2. Now,
Calculate 12.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right. I'm going to count 6 from left and 6 from right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So because I don't have the middle value, you say your Q2 or the median equals 290 plus 250, and then you divide this by 2. That becomes your median. That becomes your median.
290 plus 250.
That should give you 270. Your 270, it's your median. And you are done. We did that so that we do not make any mistake. No mistake, none whatsoever. Let's go to 1.3.4. Calculate the difference. This is very important. Calculate the difference between the maximum and the minimum values for store B. The difference between the maximum and the minimum. Again, what is that? Range. That is what we call the range. Range equals maximum minus the minimum. And the maximum for store B. The maximum is 440. Looking at the box and whisker for store B. Minus 140. Looking at the box and whisker. This is shown as the minimum. Remember, the maximum Q1, Q3, and Q2. So the minimum would be 140. Be careful. What is 440 minus 140? Yeah? That should give you that value.
300.
300. Are we fine? Looking at the box and whisker. Please be careful. Box and whisker, this is the minimum. But the minimum for store A, 120. Be very, very careful. Please try to be as careful as you can.
Maximum for store A, 380.
Yeah, maximum for store A, 380. But maximum for store B, 440. Are we fine? Right. We are done with question 1. This is entirely question 1. We are done. I don't think there has been a mistake that we have done, but we will go to the memorandum just to ensure if everything is correct. Now that we are going to question 2, let me give you a chance to copy down.